Fisherman. Wow. Handsome man. Nice. Yeah, let's go everybody. Right now, we are going to fish sing. So we use the traditional Khmer traditional fishing tool. Yes. So in modern day, the fisherman is very handsome. Yeah. 2024. Yes.
No.
Yes, it's going at 24 right now.
Today more.
Today more is yeah 2024. So in the modern day, we are fishing in the modern day. Modern day. Ah, some guys coming too. Oh, it's the dog, man.
Hello.
Here the field, we are going to fishing. Any fish, man? This water we keep for a long time, so it's such a big fish when the summer season like this. So the water is released, so we can find a lot of fish around here. The field, yeah. Snail, yeah, a lot of snail.
Oh, big fish.
Where? Just wait for a minute. I will take a video. Oh, it's die.
No, it's not.
No? Oh, really, man? Yeah, what I told you guys is like have a big fish around here. You see?
Oh, big fish.
Big fish, yeah.
Oh,
Big fish around in the field, yeah. You see? The water not too much, but it's in the field. Big fish, you see? So you can catch or you can use the traditional tool to catch, yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh, you cannot catch it. It's very big, right? Whoa, man. Be careful, man. Yes. Nice. Yeah. You got it. Nice. Whoa. Really big, man. Yeah. Good.
take one more.
One more, okay. There's some more fish, right? Where? Wait. Oh, big fish. Oh, a lot, man.
We can't take, my friend.
Yeah.
Can't take. Which one?
Which one? This one first? You got it? No?
We got one.
So. Okay, take it easy. Take it easy, man. Oh, not the water not so deep. So, okay.
We take one. Fish.
Nice. So how many fish do you see? Oh, no. That's wrong, man. Here, over here. Come on. No. This one more. Here. This one. Here, one more. Here. Nice. You got it. Got it, man. Got it. You got it. Be careful. Oh. Coming out again. Okay.
Very strong, man. Very strong.
How many do you got right now?
We have three now.
Nice.
One more.
Another one.
Yes, another
Oh, the water not so clear right now, so we cannot see the fish. Oh, only here it's
You want to cut only hand.
by hand. Okay, by hand.
By hand.
Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah, you got it, man. Okay.
Okay, now we go to cooking.
Cooking, yeah.
Yeah.
I like cooking. I want to see your cook. And I want to test the fish, man.